At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is our new Dragonfly Bikepack tent, the most versatile, ultralight, freestanding tent we've ever designed. Balancing superior packability with generous interior volume and gear storage, we've designed these 1- and 2-person shelters with thoughtful features that cyclists and kayakers will appreciate. With the bikepacking experience in mind, we ditched the brightly colored rainfly and reflective guy lines for a new colorway of stormy night blue and boreal green, so you stealthily blend into a variety of surroundings. With a smartly tapered asymmetrical design that shaves weight, Dragonfly Bikepack offers ample headspace where you need it and trapezoidal vestibules that take gear storage to the next level. A tall tub floor starts with a premium silicone-coated 15D nylon ripstop, ensuring plenty of privacy and rain protection to keep you warm and dry. Single seam construction ensures greater longevity. A high-cut fly in the back, cross-ventilation struts in the rainfly, and no-seam mesh sidewalls provide significant airflow for temperature control while keeping condensation and bugs at bay. Black mesh above blends into the sky for clear stargazing at night. Dragonfly Bikepack's pre-bent DAC Featherlight poles keep weight to a minimum, and color-coded anodized aluminum and matching webbing make for an intuitive, ultra-quick setup. Furthering our sustainability efforts, pole sets are packed in bags sewn from recycled, undyed material, removing thousands of poly bags from the supply chain. A crossbar and high-arching main pole significantly increase volume at the head, peak, and foot ends. And shortened pole sections help achieve a tiny pack size, but we didn't stop there. We designed a technical stuff sack that's loaded with features for a better bikepacking experience, starting with an ultra-durable diamond ripstop exterior fabric and roll-top design to keep your shelter secure and dry. 2 integrated compression straps that are spaced to match the universal geometry of bike brazons, and a series of daisy chain webbing loops increase compatibility and mount easily onto any bike or stow into a kayak for a variety of configurations. A Hypalon patch offers a rugged, abrasion-resistant, high-friction area that ensures your shelter is rock solid when mounted on your bike. And an adjustable Velcro handle on the end cap makes carrying easy and adds more stability when biking over rugged terrain. Dragonfly's premium 15D nylon ripstop fly is coated in a durable silicone water repellent, offering the most reliable weather protection possible. And stunning geometry and double stake points on fly doors make for a more weatherproof design and superior accessibility. Dragonfly Bikepack debuts our new landing zone, a reversible 3D gear bucket made of waterproof silicone-coated fabric. Attached with G-hooks and weighing only 60 grams, this add-on extends the protective space of your tent with out-of-the-way waterproof gear storage under your vestibule. We've also added a line of 5 daisy chain loops around the top of the tent canopy, a great place to stash and dry your gear off the ground. Massive trapezoidal vestibules have multiple rollback points, allowing for various exposure configurations and more gear stashing volume than any other tent in its class. Enhancing the experience, Dragonfly Bikepack replaces the old loop and toggle with our newly designed gatekeeper clip to roll back your fly or door with ease. Gear pockets and a generous integrated gear loft at the peak add storage and keep essentials organized. Our newly evolved nightlight pocket is built with a light diffusing fabric that is dyed to shift your headlamp's light color to create an even warmer, more inviting lantern glow inside your tent. For those looking for a superior shelter that offers unprecedented space at a refreshingly small packed size and is loaded with thoughtfully designed features, Dragonfly Bikepack shines a new light on the ultralight bikepacking adventure category. And like all Nemo products, your Dragonfly comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures. At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is our Victory Screenhouse, a luxury freestanding hangout shelter designed to add comfort and convenience to any group gathering, from car camping adventures and backyard barbecues to day picnics in the sun. Its unique shape is both visually appealing and affords standing height roominess from the entryway to the interior for unparalleled comfort and ease. Victory Screenhouse's streamlined pull configuration and pull sleeves simplify setup so you can spend more time relaxing at camp. Rain gutter style roof patterning eliminates water pooling during heavy rains, and larger diameter aluminum pulls keep your shelter upright when winds pick up. We use the most durable water-resistant fabrics like our rugged 75D PEU polyester throughout the canopy for a rainproof shelter that affords greater longevity. And a step pad enables one-handed entry with ease, so you can carry what you need into the shelter. Large no-seam mesh walls offer more space, great views and ventilation, and plenty of protection from bugs and the sun. A large floor plan offers 100 square feet of space and is designed to pair perfectly with our Victory Blanket XL for a cozy camp floor. And stake point grommets make setting up both together easy, while reinforced exterior webbing guy-outs can be secured for a durable windproof design. Full-length zippers allow large doors to be rolled and secured for large entrances at each end. And multiple internal stash pockets provide safe places for glasses or phones, and a reinforced loop on the ceiling allows you to hang a lantern for a cozy glow at night. For anyone looking to up their camp game or add bug-free coziness to their backyard barbecues, Victory Screenhouse is the cavernous and durable gathering spot that you've been waiting for. And like all Nemo products, your Screenhouse comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures. At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Hornet Elite OSMO, the ultimate tent for extreme minimalists. Taking Ultralight to the next level, Hornet Elite OSMO combines legacy features with thoughtful updates and our proprietary OSMO fabric to push the limits of performance while reducing impact on the planet. Offered in 1- and 2-person models, Hornet Elite OSMO provides a generous amount of headspace and the best in technical materials and design. Hornet Elite OSMO is also one of the first tents in our iconic backpacking collection to feature our new OSMO fabric with an advanced water repellency that has proven to keep you drier and last 4 times longer. The new composite weave has 3 times less stretch when wet, reducing sag for better wind and rain shedding in any weather. OSMO is also completely PFAS, PFC, and fire retardant chemical free and is woven of 100% recycled yarns. We start with an ultralight OSMO fabric and slimmer profile on the tub floor to shave ounces yet keep you dry, while single seam construction increases longevity. A no-seam mesh canopy delivers ample airflow while keeping condensation and bugs at bay. The white mesh adds plenty of privacy. Hornet Elite OSMO's highly efficient pole structure leverages top-shelf DAC Featherlight poles for minimal weight, while the single-hubbed intersection and color-coded pole clip webbing creates an intuitive, lightning-quick setup. Our patent-pending flybar volumizing pole clip increases interior headroom by widening the canopy at the peak without adding unnecessary ounces. Flybar's unique shape and flexible composition also distributes fly tension evenly to eliminate any stress points. Triangulated reflective guy-outs increase volume at the foot, protecting sleeping bags from tent wall condensation. Hornet Elite OSMO's high-performance composite fly with advanced water repellency technology offers some of the lightest, most reliable weather protection possible. Large doors and vestibules offer easy access and ample gear coverage for each person. For added livability, Hornet Elite OSMO is equipped with 2 volumizing clips that connect to the fly and expand the tent sidewalls outward. For convenience, Hornet Elite OSMO features our new Gatekeeper door tiebacks, a gear pocket for essentials, and our Nightlight Pocket headlamp diffuser, which adds a warm, pleasant glow at night without any weight penalty. Our new DiviCube rectangular stuff sack nests more efficiently in your pack and allows you to split the weight with a partner. Our 100% recycled Reprieve pole bag replaces disposable packaging as part of our 100K polybag elimination project. For us, the Elite moniker means we've examined and optimized every stitch, every cord, every detail for weight savings and performance enhancement. Driving technology and design forward, Hornet Elite OSMO is a maximalist approach to minimalist design. And like all Nemo products, your Hornet Elite OSMO comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures. Find a level area and lay out the body of the tent on the ground. Stake loosely if there is any wind. Build your pole set by connecting all the segments and arrange the large hub poles so the pole colors match their corresponding corner webbing colors. Insert locking pole tips into the 4 corner anchors and position your tent as desired, preferably with the back of the tent toward the prevailing wind direction, and then stake the 4 tent corner anchors. Secure anchors by placing an anchor loop around the stake and pound it into the ground with a hard object. Kunai is equipped with a double loop for more stake position options. If the ground is too hard for stakes, you can tie anchors to rocks or to other heavy objects. Now attach the inner tent canopy to the poles using the pole clips. Position the short ridge pole on top of the main poles at the tent entrance. Now secure it by inserting the pole tips into the grommets at the sides of the inner tent, and then insert the plastic clip at the center of the ridge pole into the clip at the center of the tent above the door. Connect the large gatefold pole clips around the pole sets at intersection points. Next, cover the inner tent with the rainfly, keeping the vestibule lined up with the door, and secure poles to rainfly with the internal Velcro pole wraps. Locate the webbing straps on the corners of the fly and attach to the locking pole tips under the tent anchor webbing. Moderately adjust the tension in the fly using the webbing straps and ladder lock buckles, saving room for final adjustment. For final tensioning, stake out the vestibules and pull firmly on all adjustable corner anchors and tension lines for a tight setup. Utilize the weatherproof pull-through hooded guy lines and any additional guy lines for increased strength and stability if needed, as a properly tensioned tent ensures maximum water shedding and wind resistance. At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Wagontop, the pinnacle in luxury camp tents, designed for an intuitive setup, palatial comfort, and impeccable weather protection. Available in 4, 6, and 8-person models, Wagontop takes trailblazing design into the future. Its unique shape is visually appealing and affords standing height roominess from the entryway to the interior for unparalleled comfort. Wagontop's streamlined pole configuration and single-walled construction simplifies setup so you can spend more time relaxing at camp. The hubbed pole structure supports Wagontop's vertical wall design for increased livable space. From the bottom up, we use the most durable, water-resistant fabrics, like our rugged 300D polyester on the floor and 75D polyester throughout the canopy for greater longevity. Panoramic windows with no-seam mesh offer great views and ventilation when open, and close easily from the inside with updated buckles for privacy and weather protection. Wagontop's walk-in height vestibule offers plenty of extra space, while our additional garage accessory extends your storage possibilities even further. Stake point grommets make for an easy setup, while webbing on the vestibule can be quickly tensioned for a tight, weatherproof design. Full-length zippers allow large doors to tuck away into door jamb pockets, allowing a tidy, customizable entry at each end. Multiple gear pockets make organizing essentials easy, and reinforced loops on the ceiling allow you to hang an electric lantern for a cozy glow at night. Accessories like Wagontop footprint and perfectly sized victory blanket add further customization and comfort to your Wagontop. For adventurers who enjoy luxury sensibility while trailblazing in the wild, Wagontop shines with standing room refinement and impeccable design. And like all Nemo products, your Wagontop comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.